Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we are here with something truly special, the Aero Blade 2025. This machine is not just a motorcycle, it's a bold statement of speed, technology, and futuristic design. The Aero Blade 2025 has been crafted to capture attention on the road and deliver an experience that pushes the limits of performance while maintaining elegance and control. Built with innovation at its core, it is designed for riders who demand more than just transportation, it's for those who see riding as a lifestyle. The Aero Blade 2025 features a sleek aerodynamic body that cuts through the air with precision. Every curve and angle has been engineered to reduce drag and increase stability at high speeds. Its sharp edges and futuristic styling make it look like it belongs in another era, while the aggressive stance gives it a commanding presence. The lighting system is completely modern with laser-inspired headlights and dynamic LED tail lamps that ensure visibility and style at every angle. From the moment you see it, the Aero Blade creates a sense of thrill and excitement that is hard to ignore. Powering the Aero Blade 2025 is an engine built to perform beyond expectations. With advanced fuel injection technology, optimized cooling systems, and high torque delivery, this bike offers smooth acceleration and raw power that can take you from city streets to highways with ease. It responds instantly to your command, making it perfect for both daily commutes and long adventurous rides. The performance is balanced with cutting-edge safety features such as ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes that allow the rider to adapt the bike to different conditions and preferences. Whether you want full power for racing excitement or a comfortable ride for daily use, the Aero Blade has you covered. The chassis of the Aero Blade 2025 has been carefully designed using lightweight yet durable materials, ensuring agility and handling precision. The suspension system adapts to road conditions, delivering comfort without compromising performance. This makes the bike reliable not only on smooth highways but also on challenging terrains where stability and control are most important. With its advanced braking system, every stop feels safe, smooth, and confident, even at high speeds. Technology is another highlight of the Aero Blade 2025. The bike comes equipped with a fully digital smart display that provides real-time information such as speed, fuel efficiency, riding mode, navigation, and connectivity options. Riders can easily connect their smartphones to access calls, music, and navigation while on the move, adding convenience to every journey. Some models even come with AI-assisted riding support, making the Aero Blade one of the most intelligent motorcycles of its time. Comfort has not been compromised despite the bike's sporty character. The ergonomically designed seat provides support for both the rider and passenger, ensuring long rides remain enjoyable. The Aero Blade also has excellent fuel efficiency, making it not only powerful but also practical for riders who love exploring without worrying about constant refueling. When it comes to style, performance, and technology, the Aero Blade 2025 sets a new standard. It is more than just a bike, it is a companion for riders who want to feel the thrill of freedom with every ride. From its futuristic looks to its powerful heart, from smart technology to ultimate comfort, everything about the Aero Blade is designed to deliver excellence. It is a bike that inspires passion, builds confidence, and creates unforgettable moments on every road it travels. So if you're someone who loves speed, innovation, and design that stands out, the Aero Blade 2025 is the perfect motorcycle for you. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about the journey, the excitement, and the lifestyle that comes with riding such an extraordinary machine. This is the future of motorcycles, and the future is here today. That's all for today's review of the Aero Blade 2025. Thank you for watching and being a part of Autoland 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on futuristic rides and automotive technology. I'll see you in the next video. Would you like me to also create SEO description, hashtags, and keywords for this Aero Blade 2025 video like we did for your other ones?